We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with a Brother MFC L5850dw. So it's pretty simple, and these are just some tips and tricks you can do in order to avoid paper jams. This green tab right here, this is actually a size adjustment. Make sure it is in the correct slot for the size. You want to make sure it's locked into place. And then you also have these if you're doing labels or envelopes or smaller paper. Just make sure it's in the right position. Another thing is these little indicators right here. These are the max level indicators. You never want to fill above that. If it's too full, the printer cannot pick up the paper and result causing a jam. One last thing to do is pretty simple. Instead of taking your new paper and just sticking it in your printer, a lot of times it will not be aligned, so therefore it might pick up the paper underneath it instead of the top page. So what I like to do is take my old paper and my new paper, combine it together. And with us living in Oklahoma, a lot of times there's condensation or humidity in the air, so I like to fan it out so the pages don't stick together. So once you fan it out, just align it all together and stick it in the tray. If you do these simple tips and tricks, like I said, you'll have less paper jams than you're normally having. If you're having a lot of paper jams and you are trying these tips, it might be time to bring your printer in for a service, so give us a call and we'll get you taken care of. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.